Welcome to the channel, everyone. Quick video for today. I'm going to be replacing this bow tie on the grill. Now this looks like it was color matched to the truck, but it looks like it was done by spray can and not real paint. So I'm going to replace it with a newer style bow tie. This is what I had on Dad's 04. It's going to be a parts truck now, so this bow tie looks so much better. It looks like the newer style bow ties. These just go on with studs, and they got these weird kind of nuts holding them on. So I'll link this, guys, where you can get it. I actually I clear coated this one, so yours won't look exactly like this, but I did clear coat this one. So I'm going to get my wrenches out, and it shouldn't be that hard. They just come right off if the studs don't break. This isn't old enough. It should come right out. So these come out relatively easy. The only problem I've had in the past is if they've been off before and someone tightens these up crazy tight and then they strip it out. They strip the threads out, and then it'll just want to spin and it won't come off. Sometimes to get them off, you got to kind of pull on the part to get it to grab the other thread to start coming off. But otherwise, these usually come out pretty easily. And there we go. 10mm socket. A few minutes later, and there we go. The gold bow tie. I like it, guys. I like the color match. You know, I like that too. But I really like the look of this newer bow tie on here. So I don't like the bad paint job on the other bow tie. If it would have been better, maybe I would have left it. But this is what I'm gonna go with here. I may get one for the tailgate, maybe. Kind of like the newer trucks do. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this one, I guess. I will see you.